Hey everyone, this is Arun, and today in this video I'm discussing about the Excel window quote calculator that I've created using Excel formulas and advanced Excel functions. So here we have three sheets. First one is the settings and prices, where we can put the company information, address, line 1, line 2, phone number, and then the email, website, and ABN registration number. So this whole block is for the company information. Then we have the text settings. So this blocks covers for the text settings. We can put the text rate here, then the validity days, and then the payment terms. Then we can put the depth reveal factors here. For the depth reveal factors, we have depth less than 100, then 101 to 150, and the third one is greater than 150. Now for this one, you can edit and provide that inputs. Right now I have used 1.00, then 1.10 for 101 to 150, and for greater than 150, it's 1.25. You can edit and use your own figures over here. And then we have the third part, which is for the glass type price table. Right now I have used a standard price table over here. You can create your own price table here for materials per square feet and fitting labor square per feet. So here we have the following glass types here. I've used the standard glass type, but in case you have different glass type, then you can use that one here in this region. Then the second sheet is the data entry sheet. So here I have used quote details here, which is the quote number, then the quote date, customer name, customer email, then phone number, then project address, and net scope. Once we fill on this information and this information, reference location, height, width, depth, glass type is a drop down where these values are taken from the sheet settings and prices from there on, and we can put on the quantity, the area. So these four are automated. They will be automatically calculated once we fill on these values. As you can see here, we have a formula for both of the four columns. They will be computed automatically. And once we fill on this information, this client quote sheet will get generated automatically. So we don't want to do anything on this sheet. This sheet is created using Excel formulas, and each and every cell is using the information from data entry and settings and prices sheet. So these three entries we have created in the data entry sheet, and they are reflected automatically here. So we don't want to do anything here. Now they all are using Excel formulas. Quote number is from data entry sheet. Quote date is from again data entry sheet. Valid until this one is the settings from the prices. So we used 30 days here. So they are adding the 30 days from this date to this date. Then this one is the fourth one, the payment terms. The payment terms is taking from this cell C17. This one is automatically updated once we fill on the payment terms, and the whole information for the client which we are preparing for, name, email, phone number, and address, they are from data entry sheet. So whatever the information we fill on over here, this will be gets updated here. These three are the entries that we created in the data entry sheet. So they are updated automatically. Now on the bottom of this sheet, we have the material subtotal, then the labor fitting subtotal here, So these all are having the formulas as well. They are from the data entry sheet. So we just need to fill this information and everything will get captured automatically. Now, this tag, the bottom of below the terms and conditions, this is also updated automatically from the settings and prices sheet. We have premium window and glazing. So this one is coming from this cell. We can use example. Let's say I'm using example here. If I edit example, then this one is created automatically as example window and glazing. Specialist in quality window solutions, then the address, phone number, email, website, everything is coming here. This is the phone number, then email address. Then this one is our website. So everything is updated from here. So we just need to edit here and they will come automatically here. So you can take the printout here as a PDF format or maybe anything, whatever your things is okay. So this will looks like this PDF. Let me just take a printout of this form, PDF format. I'm saving this as one as quotation 2 on my desktop, and it's printed. Now this one is our quotation Windows Excel quotation sheet. We have 3 entries here that we created in the data entry sheet, and the rest information we have supplied in the settings. So all the information is updated here, and it's ready to send to the client, which we have created for. So this is the PDF, and we take a PDF printout as well as the hard copy as well. We can email it as well, this printout. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. And if you need any customizations or putting the logo, or if you have different fields to come into this client quotation sheet, uh, your queries are most welcome. You can definitely reach me out over my email address and my phone number, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. You can also reach me out on my WhatsApp. You can message me anytime and I will respond your messages or queries on the WhatsApp as well. So in case you need any customizations in Windows quotation tool for this sheet or any other sheets which you need any other information or you need some other customizations, you can definitely reach me out for that one as well. So thank you for watching this Excel window quote calculator video, and I hope you like this video. So thanks and have a great day. Take care. We'll talk soon. Bye.